This is normally the best way to enjoy your French fries. Whether it's leftover or fresh fries, you can never go wrong with chips masala. You can choose to make it spicy or not. In my last video here, I showed you how to flavor your tomato sauce and take it a notch higher. That's the sauce that we'll be using in this video, so do check it out. Again, I have another video here on how to make homemade fries from scratch. Remove the skin. That is very bad and wrong of me. I should pinch myself for that. Blanching tomatoes is very important. This is done by putting a tomato in boiling water, then leaving it after 2 minutes. Remove and the skin will start to peel by itself. Then you can go ahead and remove the rest of the skin. Now, because I didn't blanch my tomatoes, you'll notice that some strings of tomato skin will be on my masala when it's ready. I find it so irritating eating while removing strings